Welcome to Savvy Tech Avantika, your tech guide. Today we're exploring the exciting journey of app development. Ready to create your own app? Let's dive in. The first step is planning. Identify the problem your app will solve or its unique feature. Sketch your ideas on paper or digitally to visualize the layout and functionality. Next, select the right tools. For Android apps, use Android Studio. For iOS, try Xcode. Cross-platform options like Flutter and React Native are also great. Choose what suits your needs best. Design is crucial for user experience. Use Adobe XD or Figma to craft an intuitive, user-friendly design. Remember, a great design can make or break your app. Now it's time to code. Depending on your platform, use languages like Java, Kotlin, Swift, or JavaScript. New to coding? Online tutorials and resources are your best friends. Before launching, test your app thoroughly. Use emulators and real devices to find bugs. Gather feedback from friends or beta testers to refine your app. Confident your app is ready? Launch it on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Promote it on social media and ask friends to spread the word. Happy coding!